Alright, y'all, check it out, check it out. iPhone release day, baby. We got some double recording going on right now. I got the Metas on deck. I feel like a woman right now drinking my Starbies. Just to locate the Apple store. I do feel a little wonky wearing these glasses inside, but I gotta get the vlog footage, you feel me? Hey, if y'all getting the new phone, y'all comment down below which one y'all getting. What color too? I went with the 17 Pro Max, orange one, cosmic orange. That one looks cool. Almost there, y'all. Just walking to the Apple store. I think we just gotta go straight, make a left, and we should be there. iPhone day, baby. Hell yeah. And today's been a good week. iPhone day today. We seen Lil Wayne earlier this week.
Yesterday.
That was yesterday? 2 days ago? Alright, y'all, let's hope the line isn't too long here at the Apple store.
Hey guys, how are you? How can I help y'all?
Hello, we had a check-in for 2 to 2:15.
Oh, that table, that line right there, go around the corner, okay?
Thank you.
Are you guys checking in for, are you buying any food?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's the most.
iPhone.
Have your ID ready. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Thank you.
iPhone day, baby.
Just text me. I'm gonna go home with some Hi,
Hello.
Lovely. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Oh, okay. Behind the guy in the grid.
Thank you, thank you. iPhone day, baby. Check it out, check it out. It is a little packed today, a little bit. Here's the line, what it's looking like. Really, the line's not too bad. It could have been a whole lot worse. I'm excited, man. Hell yeah. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Check out what it's looking like. iPhone 17 Pro Day, Pro Max for me. 2025.
Did you want to get like a case or
September 19th, 222. Y'all, the iPhone Air. This sucker's skinny. This sucker's very skinny. What the? Now the iPhone Air looks kind of cool. I don't know if I just really like the 3 cameras on the Pro Max. Did you get the AirPods too?
Yeah, but they're gonna get shipped. The thing is, I got mine in gray.
How did you want to put this on?
You want to put your name?
Gotta get a thumbnail, y'all. iPhone day, baby. Hell yeah. It's the case I went with. Here's the phone. On blinker on, yeah.
I have Apple One.
You know what I just thought about? This doesn't have Apple Care right. Is it too late to add it?
You want to get off again?
For the AirPods?
I got you.
Oh, big chance. What you think, Chance?
Monthly or yearly?
Yearly, please. Check me out, y'all.
Put my stuff in your bag.
Oh.
Would you like to set up your Face ID?
I could do it later.
That's good.
Oh, a braided cable? That's cool. It came with the braided cable, y'all. That's badass. Hell.
Apple ID. That's good.
Yeah. Go and cut this puppy on. Yeah, look at this orange. This orange looks freaking awesome, dude. Hell yeah.
no opening.
Y'all let me know which one y'all like more. My sister, 17 Pro Max, the silver one. Her case, it got the nice little cutouts. Versus mine's like that much is open. I goofed last year, y'all. I'm thinking like, I want the small phone, blah, blah, blah. It's cooler. Not cooler, but like, I don't know, just a little more convenient. But come to it, man. I miss having the big dog. Wait, check out this wallet, y'all. It's kind of old. Had it since like, dang, when I get my apartment, 21? I got those like in 2021 or 2022. The other one, I wish they still made these, but they don't.
Show my old phone.
Perfect. Oh, the pink looks cool. Your 2 cameras broke, boy. What are you, poor? Oh, look. Oh, y'all, check it out. AirPods Pro 3. Check it out, check it out. I had the Pros 2s, but, you know what I'm saying? Somebody has them. Yeah, check it out, check it out. Finally, USB-C too.
There's a strap for his phone.
That's cool. Show y'all what this looks like. Okay. Show y'all what this looks like. AirPod Pro 3. The shape does look a little different. I like that. They're supposed to be a little bit more comfy, stay in your ears more. Show that. And it's USB-C, baby. They released the USB-C case, but I don't know, it didn't seem worth it. I was like, man, I'll wait till they get a new pair of AirPods, release the USB-C case, and I think my Pro 2s are from 2022, I think. They got way more sizes this year, look.
It does look different. It's more flat.
Here's all the sizes they come with. AirPod Pro 3 right here. AirPod Pro 2s, just to give you a little slight comparison, show you what that's looking like. Badass. Show y'all this real quick. Yeah, I goofed for real getting the little phone last year. It's pretty whack. Alright, y'all, I'm about to set this up, scan my face and whatnot. Let's switch to the Meta glasses real quick. The Meta glasses real quick. I like this phone, man. It feels cool having a big phone again. I like this phone, man. It feels cool having a big phone again. And my vision sucks, so it's kind of, you know. Oh yeah, my phone's gonna take a little while for it to do its thing. It's cool. You can see a little bit of the orange trim peeking through. Green case. Hell yeah. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. Orange one on deck. Still updating, still doing this thing, but yeah, this orange looks pretty cool. I'm a fan. I'm a fan for sure. Let's go ahead and try these out. I noticed the case. I noticed the case on this one, you can't really see on the previous model, there was like a little, you could tell like the LED notification. This one you gotta open it and then you can see it. Let's go ahead and connect it to my old phone and see what these things sound like, y'all. Yeah, they for sure do fit a little different. AirPod Pro, connect. First warranty on this is not an Apple. Yeah, I'm for sure gonna have to test these out a little later just because it's very, very loud. I'm still on the Apple Store, y'all. Check it out. They're doing the real tips and tricks over there. It's very, very loud, but I'll test this out more and update y'all, share what these are sounding like. But yeah, just want to do a quick little unboxing video, share what this looks like, the case.
Okay, do you want to do each month?
USB-C too.
When you do it here, you say it too much.
We're making progress, y'all. 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 3. Uh-oh. Oh, man. In hand, y'all. Double recording too, by the way. All right, y'all, this is gonna conclude iPhone day. Hell yeah. 3. Here's what the line's looking like so far. Bit of a line. All right, y'all, gonna end the day with some Lala. Get out, y'all. Orange phone on deck. A big dog too. Hell yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this vlog though. I'm gonna try to upload this ASAP. Today is iPhone day, September 19th, man. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. Huh?
Here's 19.
Yeah. But yeah, gonna grab some Lala, go home, edit this vlog, and hell yeah. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. Hella new content dropping soon, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. So yeah.